Hello everyone, my name is Sahal Naira. I'm from Zamfara State and here I am at V.S.L Concepts in Lagos State. I came all the way from Zamfara State, spending almost 19 hours just to get here to V.S.L Concepts. I actually saw a flyer online that in V.S.L Concepts they will be holding a training that will make one get a minimum of 1 million naira in a month. And I was like, wow, let me just take the risk and come. Today is the 5th day of the training, and I tell you guys, I start imagining myself as a millionaire already, because I have learned so many skills, so many tactics and strategies that I will use to make a huge amount of money. They did not just show me how to make 1 million naira in a month, but they hold me by the hand and we implement all the strategies they have been using. And I tell you guys, when I come back home, you will see a new person, because my business is everywhere on the internet. I appreciate everyone at V.S.L Concepts, and I say a very big thank to the CEO, Mr. Richard Esemu, his team members, Mr. Jerry, Mr. Dan, Mr. Olu. I say a very big thank to you all. I recommend everyone out there to come and enroll in this training, because I tell you, it will change your life for the better. Watch out for the new millionaire, Alhaji Sahal.